Have you ever ridden a motorcycle before? If not, this tutorial is for you, or if you have, just enjoy. Let's start out with the important controls. On the left handlebar, this is the clutch. On the right handlebar, this is the front brake. Here's the ignition with the key, the kill switch, the throttle, and power. Down here is the shifter, and then down here is the rear brake. Now that we know the controls, let's mount the bike. I like to start from the kickstand side. Grab the handlebars, swing your right leg over, bring the bike up and straighten the wheel, and then put up the kickstand. Now that you're actually sitting on the motorcycle, get a feel for the weight underneath you. Now that we're comfortable sitting on the bike, let's start it up. Turn the key to the right, that turns on the gauge cluster. We are currently in neutral, which is fantastic. Let's turn off the kill switch and then we can press power. The bike is gonna fire right up. Awesome, the bike is on, but now we need to move. To do this, we need to shift into first gear. So what we need to do is pull in the clutch and then kick down on the shifter. Now we're in first gear. Make sure you continue to have that clutch pulled in, because if not, here's what's gonna happen. The motorcycle will stall. That's perfectly fine. What we need to do is pull in the clutch and then press power. Bike starts right back up. Our next step is to go through the friction zone. To do this, we'll slowly release the clutch and then you'll feel the bike start to grab. This can be kind of tricky if it's your first time. Watch what happens if I let out the clutch too early. The bike will stall. Again, perfectly fine. Pull in the clutch, press power. Bike starts right up. Let's get used to the biting point by slowly releasing the clutch. Feel the bike start to grab, pull it in, and then rock right back. Let's do that one more time. Slowly release clutch, bike starts to grab, pull it in, rock back. That's gonna get you used to that biting point. A big tip is to add some throttle while releasing the clutch, almost like you're wringing out a towel. This is gonna help you not stall. So let's try that technique. Release clutch, add some throttle, put your feet up, release clutch. Now we're riding. I'll do that one more time going this way. Slowly release clutch, add throttle, feet up, release clutch. Now we're moving. We're not going very fast, only 5. So what we need to do to go faster is to roll on the throttle. We're just gonna bring our wrist back and watch this. We accelerate. If we want to go right, we press right on the handlebars. Again, look through the turn. Let's make a turn around this light post. If I want to go left, I press left. And now I want to look through my turn just like this. And now I just want to get comfortable with the weight of the bike underneath me. Maybe I want to accelerate and kind of go side to side, make a couple more turns. You can just cruise around in first gear, get used to the bike underneath you. Let's say we want to come to a stop. What do we need to do? Roll off of the throttle, use our brakes, and then pull our clutch in, and then put that foot down. I like the left foot down first, that way the right can stay on the rear. And then we can put our right foot down. Let's put the bike in neutral and teach you how to make an upshift. So what I'm gonna do is leave that clutch pulled in, half a click up on the shifter, now we're in neutral, release the clutch, and then we can turn off the motorcycle. To make an upshift, we're gonna roll off of the throttle, pull in the clutch, and then click up on the shifter. After we click up, we can release the clutch and then we'll be in second gear. So let's do that. Go through the friction zone, feet up, riding, rolling on the throttle, time to upshift, roll off of throttle, in with clutch, up on shifter, release clutch, now we're in second gear. And you can just continue to upshift, off of throttle, pull in clutch, up on shifter, release clutch, now we're in third gear. I came to my stop without showing you downshifting because I'm gonna explain it now. Let's say we wanna downshift from second to first gear. Here's how we do that. So to downshift a motorcycle, we're gonna roll off of the throttle, pull in the clutch, kick down on the shifter. After we kick down, slowly release the clutch, then you'll be in first gear. Let's give it a go. Off of throttle, pulling clutch, kick down on the shifter, slowly release the clutch. Now you're in first gear. Now let's come to our slow and controlled stop again. Off of throttle, pull in brakes, clutch, left foot down first. Then right, half a click up on the shifter into neutral, then we can put down the kickstand, turn off the bike, turn the wheels to the left, and go ahead and dismount. And that's how you ride a motorcycle. Be patient when you first start out. You will make mistakes, but you'll grow from them and become a confident and awesome rider. When you're riding, just please wear gear. I encourage everyone to be safe and responsible riders. Go out there, have fun, ride a motorcycle. 2 fingers down, follow for more.